This project, which is behind me, started in 1998 with the adoption of the Lower Boulder Creek and Cold Creek Master Plan. And in that master plan, we talked about doing a natural channel restoration out here on the site. So this site was mined for sand and gravel in the past, the last few decades back. But when they reclaimed this site, they didn't do a really great job of it. And so the soils that were put back on were very nutrient poor and had low organic matter, which are all necessary to kind of have a thriving plant community. And so what we had out here were a lot of non-native species, a lot of invasive species, very low productivity. So not only from an ecological perspective, but it wasn't very valuable even from for the agriculture and for pasture land. So we wanted to improve the site conditions, both from the riparian side of things and the creek, but also that it allowed us to kind of correct some of the wrongs that were done in the past with the mining site. So the project includes the realignment of about a mile long length of the creek and opening up the floodplains with about 150-foot wide floodplain bench. In stream, we moved the stream over and made it more naturally meandering. And within the channel itself, we installed some riffles and pools, large woody debris, cobble bars that all provide in-stream habitat values. And then we've installed thousands of trees and shrubs as well as willow cuttings throughout the site. And then finally the whole site was seeded with a mix of native grasses, forbs, and shrubs. The plants that we have installed out here and the seeds that we've placed down will grow into more of a thriving riparian community. We'll have kind of a diversity of habitat types, some grassy areas, some shrubby areas, and some larger cottonwood trees and so forth that are going to provide for a number of different wildlife species. So the area is going to thrive and be a lot more diverse in terms of the plant species, the wildlife species that can use this site.